Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Ruin. Today, Steve's gonna show you how to remove strip nut bolts.
Nut bolts? Alright, so we're changing out Freddy's downpipe here, and everything in this Subaru STI, from the headers to the up pipe to the turbo and the downpipe back, uses a 14mm nut or bolt. Now, in some tight areas, I like to use a regular 14mm open-ended wrench. The 12-point portion oftentimes strips the nut like this. So when you're grabbing it and it grabs on 12 points, each of these 6 corners will normally get rounded off by the 12-point box end wrench. What I like to do is go to a 6-point socket, a regular 6-point socket like this, and even then it will strip. So Snap-on makes this handy little 14mm flank drive socket, and it's really helpful because once you've got some rounded off edges, it'll fit like a glove onto the nut or bolt, grabbing it by the flank, which is the flat surfaces over here. Interestingly though, this socket will not accept a perfectly normal non-stripped nut. It does fit into the regular 14mm socket.
Yeah, that's cool. Whoa. Like magic.
But yeah, these are called flank drive sockets. It's really helpful when you're working on stripped, rusted out exhaust bolts. Snap-on makes them all different kinds of sizes, from 10mm to 19mm. They're kind of expensive, but you know, it's worth it, especially if you're living in the Rust Belt. We're here in New York. They freaking brine the roads with salt. It's crazy. So again, this is going to make light work out of today's job. This is a 2.5 XT turbo, I believe. I think he's pushing around 400 horsepower, close to that.
Jeez.
It's going to be fun. Of course, you can add some sort of penetrant oil like PB Blaster or WD-40. That always helps. Or you can add heat. I love to do that. Use a blowtorch or an induction coil and get the bolt nice and cherry red. Then, in addition to the flank drive socket, slip it on, and you'll have no worries getting the exhaust out.
There we go.
There you go. Just a quick tip coming at you. Thanks for watching.
See you guys later. See you guys on the next episode. Peace.